what? This is cool. I love playing with my fidget spinner, don't you, Annia?
I love playing with my fidget spinner.
Yeah, fidget spinners are awesome.
Yeah.
Is that a tinkling sound? Toys in action! Annia, what's that sound?
No, I don't know. Fairy?
Are you the Tooth Fairy?
Oh no, I'm not the Tooth Fairy, but I work with the Toy Fairies.
Oh,
I'm a fidget spinner fairy.
what's a fidget fairy?
well-
Isn't a fidget fairy just like a fidget with wings?
Well, actually, my job is to fly around, check on children, and see what fidget spinner they want, and then I grant their wish. Well, my sister's getting married next week, and I need to go on vacation. And you girls seem to really like fidget spinners.
Yeah, we love them with all our hearts.
Me too.
Well, I need someone to take over and be the fidget spinner fairy while I'm gone.
Wow, but we don't have wings and we can't make fidget spinners appear.
Oh, well, I'm going to give you some magic.
Magic?
Magic?
Wow.
I'm going to give you some magic. Hold
Wait.
still.
But how are we supposed to get everywhere?
Oh, I'll give you some wings too. Hold still.
Let's hold still, Annia. Oh my gosh. Wow, we're fit fairies. I don't know who we're doing tonight.
Your powers will show you what to do. Okay, I'm out of here. See you
Bye-bye.
later.
Bye-bye, fidget fairies. Annia, we're fidget
Amazing.
Look, I have rainbow wings.
That's crystalline.
Okay, let's go. Look, honey, it's a nighttime cloud. I never knew the clouds turn blue at night. Did you?
No.
I think we're going to Chelsea's house first.
My magic shows us we are going to Elsie's house.
Okay, to Chelsea. To Chelsea's house.
Little pony, I wish I could have a fidget spinner, but Barbie said I'm not allowed to have one because I have too many toys. It's not fair. All the kids have got them. I'm gonna make a wish tonight on my pillow. Alright, let's go. We gotta win the race. Go, Horsey. Wait, Horsey, I think it's a ghost. What's that?
Hello, what's that? It's a fidget fairy.
Fidget fairy, that your service.
Oh my goodness, Annia and Elsia, is that you?
Believe it or not, we're fidget fairies now. Every night at 6 o'clock we'll turn into fidget fairies.
Wow, can you make dreams come true and wishes?
Yeah, well, we can only give you fidgets. Any fidget you want.
Oh, I so want to have a fidget. I really love purple.
Okay, Annia, let's make our spell.
Fidget
Powers boost. Give us a purple fidget spinner.
Oh my goodness, Fairy Elsia and Annia, thank you so much. You're the best fairies and the best friends ever.
I wonder how Barbie will feel when she finds out you have one.
I know she's going to be super surprised. I'll just tell her I made a wish and it came true.
Yeah.
Thanks, Annia. You're such a great friend.
Goodbye, Chelsea. Can you come around?
Yeah,
I think we're going under the sea.
Yep, let's go. Bye, Chelsea.
Bye, Chelsea.
See you at Kingdom.
Oh, wow, that was amazing. Okay, it's time to play, Pony. Aw, little candy buns, it's not fair. I really want a fidget spinner, but Mum's so busy looking after the underwater kingdom and my daddy's kingdom on land. She says she's too busy to go to the store. I know, I'm going to wish on my magic gem. magic gem. I wish I could get a fidget. I wish I could get a fidget. What's that sound? Oh, I hope it's not Ursula. I'm gonna hide in my bed.
Don't ever fear.
Hey, Elsia, what are you doing here?
Hello.
Annia, is that you, my friend?
Yeah.
How are you breathing underwater?
Our magic. See the wings?
Your fairies?
Not any fairies.
Fidget Spinner Fairy.
We travel all over the world to help children with their fidget spinners.
I really want a fidget spinner.
What colour?
I really want a rainbow one like your wings.
Fidget spinning powers. Bring us a rainbow fidget for this melody. Who wants it?
It's like all the pretty sprinkles.
It's definitely like the coral.
Oh my goodness, Annia, Elsia, it's so pretty and it looks like it goes super fast.
Always do.
You're the best friends and the best fairies ever.
Yeah, I know. We're so lucky, aren't we? Yeah. We'll tell you all about our night tomorrow at Kindy, won't we, Annia?
Thank you, friends. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Have a good night.
Good night. I will. I'm going to practice some tricks. Come on, Annia.
We're going to Tiana's.
My bedroom is like the most rockin' bedroom in the school, but it's missing something special. A fidget spinner. But Mum said I'm not allowed to get one to my birthday. It's so not fair. I'm not going to be a cool kid if I don't get one. I'm going to make a wish. I'm going to bang on my drum until I get one. I wish I could get a fidget spinner. Stop! Oh! Hey!
It's too loud.
Hey! Elsia! Annia?
I didn't know you could drum your drum that loud.
Yeah, it drives Mum crazy, but it's super fun.
Oh, come on over, Annia.
What are you girls doing in my room? And why have you got wings?
Oh my goodness, my wings match your drum. Cool.
My wings too. My wings match your bed top.
Oh, so what's going on? How come you girls look like fairies?
Have a guess what sort of fairies we are.
A tooth fairy?
No. Anyway, you haven't even lost a tooth.
A toy fairy.
Sort of, very close.
Oh, please tell me that you're a fidget spinner fairy, because I really want one.
Yes. I heard you're banging your drum.
Okay, I'm gonna make my wish. I wish that I had a rainbow glowing one.
Magic powers. Give us a rainbow glowing.
Oh, thank you so much, Annia.
It doesn't have every color of a rainbow, but when you spin it, it does. Look.
Oh, wow. It's
Wait,
so
I'll just quickly
amazing.
turn off your light.
Oh, my goodness. This is super amazing.
Darling, have you gone to bed early?
Oh, yes, Mummy. I'm just packing up now. Oh, this is super exciting. Thanks, Annia and Elsia. I'll see you at Kindy tomorrow.
I think your mum's going to be coming in to tuck you in soon. We better go.
Okay, good night.
Have fun with your fidget spinners.
I will. Thank you so much. Oh, wishes do come true.
I'm so bored. I need a new toy. All there is to do is watch TV, and there's nothing even good on it. I know the perfect new toy for you. Ah! Elsia, Annia, what are you two doing here? And why do you have wings? Oh, is there a costume party? Was I not invited? Oh my goodness. I'll quickly go find a costume. Not babe. The Fidget Fairies.
Fidget Fairies.
I've always wanted a fidget spinner. Cool, that would be the perfect new toy. Okay, what color do you want? I think I'm gonna have a green sparkly one. Okay, Annia, Let's do our spell. Magic powers, bring us a green sparkly fidget spinner. Okay, here you go, Rapunzel. Thank you so much, Elsia. Thank you, Annia. Okay, have a good night, you two.
I really am enjoying this vacation. I hope the girls are doing well.
Annia, come through here. I think someone needs a fidget spinner.
I'm so sick of practicing this song. I wish I had something else to do. What's that over there by the window? Oh no, I hope it's not a robber who's trying to steal my beautiful crown. Maybe it's the cat burglar. Oh, I better hide over here. Oh.
What? Cat burglar! Cat burglar! Where?
I know that voice.
Where's the cat burglar? I need to hide!
Elsia, what are you doing?
Where's the cat burglar? Where's the cat burglar? I need to hide! Where's the cat burglar?
Girls, there's no cat burglar. I thought you were the cat burglar. And what are you doing in my house? And why have you got wings?
What about we explain in your bedroom?
Okay.
Well, see, this fidget fairy girl just is going on holiday, so she gave us powers and wings, and now we're just like giving any kid like whatever fidget spinner they want.
Oh, that sounds awesome.
What kind of fidget do you want?
I really like blue ones, and I've heard about the ones that work good in the dark. Have you got any of those?
Magic powers. Bring us a blue spark glowing in the dark fidget spinner. Okay, here's your fidget spinner.
Oh my goodness, girls, this is amazing. Let's try it out in the dark.
Wow! Annia, look!
Annia, come have a look. It's super amazing.
Wow! Let's make it glow again. You have to tap it. Tap, 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 tap.
A little dance.
Okay. Woo! Woo! Disco.
Na, 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 na. Oh, I'll put some music on.
Disco party! Disco party! Disco party! Disco party!
What's going on up there? I thought you were supposed to be practicing your song, Cindy.
Oh yes, Daddy. I'm practicing my song. I'm sorry, it was just at the crazy bit. I'll be a bit quieter. All right, girls, you better go. I don't want my dad to see.
I'm coming up now to see if you're practicing your song.
Okay, I better put this under my bed. Okay, girls.
Bye, Cindy.
Bye. I'll
See you at kindy tomorrow.
I'll see you at kindy tomorrow.
I'm nearly there, Cindy. If
tell
you're not practicing your song, you're going to be in trouble.
Cindy, don't tell your dad we was here.
I won't. It's our secret. Secret club. Bye, friends. Bye. This is so cool. Oops, back to the piano.
Good, you're practicing your song. Now back to watching the game.
Okay, good night, Dad. Ah, good, he's gone. Back to spinning.
Only have two. We've got a little bit of time before bed. I also had a fidget spinner. It might be Annie or ghost. The rubber. Ouch! Ouchies. Elsia, how did you get in my room? Annie, how did you get in my room? Long story short, a fidget fairy gave us powers because she's going on holiday, and now we're fidget fairies. Just to give you whatever fidget you want. What fidget do you want? I want a Lego. Come on, Annia, let's do our special thing. Bring us some yellow fidget spinners. There you go. Well, this is cool. Let's see how it works. Well, we better be off. It's getting late. We better go. Darling! What's that sound? You should be picking out a story on your shelf.
Oh, yeah.
I'm coming. Picked out a book yet?
Yes, Fidget and Fidget.
Oh, yes, that's your favourite. I'll go get you some lovely hot milk and then we can go to bed.
Wow, she looks wooden pixie about to take off.
Tonight was so long. Must get to bed. Disappear wings.
Oh, see y'all.
Girls, are you ready for your story? Not tonight, Mum. Oh, but you just... Oh, well, okay. I know the kids don't want a story. We can just hop to bed. For more fun videos from Toys in Action, please like and subscribe.